Is GoAuto insurance legit? Used GoAuto insurance before? Leave your review in the comments section below. If you've ever typed cheap car insurance near me into Google, chances are GoAuto popped up. The company's whole pitch is affordability. No agents, no frills, just low-cost coverage. And for some folks, that's exactly what they want. GoAuto offers basic liability, collision, and comprehensive plans starting around $75 a month. That's pretty competitive, especially for drivers in Louisiana, Nevada, Ohio, and Texas, where GoAuto operates. People like that you can walk into a local office, pay in person, or use that app. It's simple, it's direct, no pressure from commission-hungry agents. And if you're a high-risk driver or just need minimum coverage, GoAuto might be one of the few companies willing to take you on. But, and it's a big but, the customer service reviews are rough, like really rough. Reddit threads, NerdWallet, and Trustpillows are full of stories about claims dragging on for months, phones not being answered, and emails going into the void. One user said they had to message the CEO on Facebook just to get their claim processed. Another said their policy was cancelled 9 days after signing up because they didn't pay a second installment, something they weren't even told about. That's not just inconvenient. That's potentially dangerous if you're driving around thinking you're covered. The company also doesn't advertise discounts clearly. You might get a break for having anti-theft devices or a clean driving record, but you'll need to ask. And don't expect bundling options. GoAuto only does auto insurance. No renters, no homeowners, no life. It's bare bones. So is GoAuto legit? Technically yes, it's a real company. It's licensed. It's been around since 2009. But legit doesn't always mean good. If you're on a tight budget and just need something to get you on the road, GoAuto might work. Just go in with your eyes open. Read the fine print, ask questions, and maybe have a backup plan if things go sideways. Have you had a good or bad experience with GoAuto? Drop your story below.